Welcome to another video here from Howard Piano Industries. Today we're just going to be showing you an example of a bass string that doesn't match its partner, or we've got two strings that are for the same note, and the one string's got a much shorter winding on it, and I'll show you the difference of what it makes it sound like when it's not matched up. So if we look at this this string right here, you can see the winding doesn't come up as far. I can get it in focus there. It doesn't come up as far as the one for the string next to it that's for the same note. And you can see that all these others, the windings, excuse me, all match up pretty much for the same point for the two strings of each note. But this one is much shorter. Okay, I'm going to play this note next to it, which is the B. We're looking at. Okay, and that's it's fairly good sounding. It's relatively in tune. And the next one, I tuned it as well as I could, but you can hear there's a sour sound to it compared to this one. Okay, that's the B. That's the B flat. So you can see when you do a replacement string, it's important to get the length of the winding, the diameter of the winding, core wire and everything, diameter, all the same for the string next to it that's matching. So just showing you an example of that today and what the effects have of it if it's not matching. Even if you're replacing just one of two strings, one's old and if you're going to do one new one, it's good to replace both the same note, so that because sometimes the old string will sound different than the new string too and cause the same effect. But if you have any questions about this, or you want to see other videos that we have on our website is howardpianoindustries.com.